Welcome to our tutorial on setting up In Cart Upsell's Autopilot feature. Follow these quick and easy steps to start increasing your store's average order value in no time. To start, click the Create Offer button. Next, go to the Content tab and click the Launch Autopilot button. It will take a few seconds to load. Once loading is complete, click the Configure Autopilot Settings button. Then, select the number of product options you would like your shoppers to choose from. The numbers range from 1 to 5. Here, you can also change the Autopilot offer layout from stack to carousel. Next, scroll down to the text section. Here, you can change the offer text by deleting and adding your own text to convey your message to your shoppers. You also have the option to change the button text. Next, scroll down to the Display Options section. Here, the product title is automatically linked to the product page. You can leave it as it is, or you can remove it by checking the option to Remove Link to Product Page. Next, go to the Placement tab. Here you can select where the offer should appear on your store by using the drop-down option selector. There are 3 possible locations: Product Page, Cart Page, and Ajax Cart, Slider, Pop-up, or Drop-down Cart. In this tutorial, we will be using the Product Page and the Cart Page. Next, go to the Appearance tab. This area is used to customize the offer to match the theme of your website. You can read our help article or watch the video tutorial on how to use this section. The Advanced tab requires HTML and CSS knowledge to be used effectively. This section is used to configure the app for the non-supported themes. Here, you can modify the DOM selectors to decide where the offer appears on your store. Additionally, you can add custom CSS to customize the offer widget further. If you require help in this area, please don't hesitate to reach out to our customer support team. Finally, once the setup has been completed, you will have the option to either save it as a draft or publish the offer. Saving it as a draft will allow you to keep it unpublished, whereas publishing the offer means it will go live on your store. Contact support if you have any questions or need assistance.